All right, Chris doing a personal box of the all-new 2017 Elite Football. All right, we're starting out with a Lamar Miller to 99. Shiny. Tidal waves of Russell Wilson. Insert. Oh, I think we have a hard signed auto right here. Kenny Galladay, Pen Pals autograph. We actually sat down and opened some cards with him. Kenny G. Out in LA. You guys remember that? To 77 J Ajayi. Red. Oh, this parallel is insane looking. Elijah McGuire to 25. The camera doesn't even do these justice, but the orange are crazy. I think we have two things here. We've got the Antonio Brown insert, not numbered. And then we have a Spellbound of Aaron Rodgers. Oh, snap. 4 of only 5. 4 of 5. Aaron Rodgers. Chris. Next we have a Von Miller fired up to 299. Antonio Brown fired up, numbered to only 99. Fired up. 499 Isaiah McKenzie. Next we have a Darren Woodson for the Cowboys insert. He's like, give me a Raider. Give me a Raider. To 499, Tariq Cohen, rookie. Rookie elitist of Joe Mixon. Non-numbered insert. Ooh, to 24, here's a nice one. Jonathan Allen die-cut blue rookie. To 24. Number to 499, Curtis Samuel, rookie. Jerry, we a couple personals here, and then we're almost full on football, baseball, and all 3 breaks are almost full. Ezekiel Elliott spellbound to 299. College ties of Jake Button, Taco Charlton. We still got an auto to go, eh? To 71, Marlon Humphrey, red rookie. Autograph. Turn of the century auto to 149. We'll check this out. Elijah Hood, the Oakland Raider rookie. Elijah Hood auto. Chris, a little PC love. To 99, Caleb Brantley, blue rookie. And the last pack, your jersey. Look at that. How fitting. Derek Carr, Pro Bowl standouts jersey. There you have it.